morning, children. I am back with the class of English of upper nursery. Are you practicing at home the small hand alphabets? If not, do practice at home. I am continuing the class with your small hand alphabets but in a missing form. So last class I have completed till, let me show you. M, N, O, P, Q, R. So till R I have completed in the last class. Today I will complete the rest of the alphabets. And today is the last class for the small hand alphabets in missing letters. So let me start the class. Children, hold the pencil like this. This is small hand S. Then I made a dash. Then comes U, dash, W, dash, Y, dash. These all alphabets are written in small hand. So you have to tell me after which alphabets the following alphabets come. So this is S. After S, what it comes? Yes, it comes T. Very good. So how to write T in small hand? Make a standing line, then a inverted U. See, small hand T. Then this is U. Then U, how after U what it comes? V. Very good. It comes V. Two slanting line. 1, 2. Within these two lines you have to write, children, because these are small hand alphabets. So if you forget, start from the beginning. S, T, U, V, W. Then after W, X. Again two slanting line. 1, 2. See X. Then this is Y. After Y it comes Z. Very good. See, Z. So start from the beginning. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood? Complete? So how you will practice at home? Let me show you. These are for the parents. You will write the alphabets and make dash for your kids. This is S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood, children, how you will write? So, as I am giving you homework always, these are for the parents. I am asking, you will write the heading, then you will make or write the alphabets, make dash for your kids. You will notice that are they getting habituated with this? They are ready to write. You will ask your kids to fill up this blanks. Only one page homework for them. After completing till Z, you will start from the beginning. Next class I will take revision. So get ready, children, for the revision. First capital letter I will take revision, and then small letter I will take revision in missing form. Understood? I am asking the parents, you will also notice that are they getting habituated? You will give the letters from the beginning so that, or jumble it, anyway you can give. So, and you will notice that they are getting habituated or able to write in the correct form one by after the other, and you will also notice that they are writing accurately with good handwriting also. So one page homework for you children. Next class I will start taking the revision. So get ready children for the revision. Today up to this I am ending the class here. Stay safe, stay secure at home. Thank you children.